Maximizing stock trading returns with seasonality. Won't it be nice if you have over 70 years of historical data when making your near-term trading decisions? In this video, I'm going to show this powerful indicator that does exactly that, giving you the average annualized return for each day in the current month. With this indicator, you can plan whether to be aggressive or conservative, to go long or go short in the coming days, knowing the historical tendency how the S&P 500 or SPY will perform in that period. In the macrotradings.com website, go to the members area, and here you can see many trading approaches and indicators to use and the suggested strategies for them. For this indicator, select the monthly seasonality. Seasonality refers to the concept how seasonally the SPY would perform in a given period, whether it's a day, a week, a month, or a quarter. Here we are looking at the daily performance of SPY for this current month and about 2 weeks into the next month. These data are calculated from the 1950 until now, so that's over 70 years of trading data. By no means it's a slam dunk prediction how the SPY will perform, but it does give you a good perspective about the historical tendency. Won't it be nice knowing the history is at your back when making your buy or sell decisions? For example, we can see in this chart that historically December starts out very strong, with an average annualized performance of about 20% for about 6 trading days. Keep in mind the convention wisdom is that the annualized return of SPY is about 9%. So this means this period of December in the past has double the annualized return of SPY. However, this strong period is followed by a seasonal weak period with about 5 trading days of -17 annualized return. And then a short choppy period follows that, with a big swing between positive to negative returns for about 3 trading days. Then December normally closes out very strong and into the early part of January, with an annualized return of above 37%. Sometimes this is referred to as the Santa's Rally, and there is historical evidence to support that. So when we enter a new calendar month, the indicator will automatically print the historical annualized return for the entire month and about 10 trading days for the following month. This will provide you a very good reference to plan your trades ahead. If you are interested in leveraging this indicator plus many others to benefit your trading, sign up for a subscription at macrotradings.com with a 7-day free trial period and start to take full advantage of them. Thanks for watching.